What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Today we're back and we are going to be painting, as you can see, the valve cover and everything behind me. So let's just get into the time-lapse clips. Boom, baby. Alright, so we have painted the oil pan, as you can see here. We have put on some clear coat and we put some clear coat on the timing cover. Now we just need to get this little gasket here to replace that and get that all set, because we obviously painted over the other one. It's probably not good. I have some Wrinkle Red coming in tomorrow that we're going to use on the valve cover. And then I just went and bought myself, went and bought these so we can organize our sockets a little bit. And then I also got this heat gun, so hopefully we have a better chance of not fucking up the wrinkle paint this time around with the valve cover. So I got some time-lapse video clips of me painting and doing all of that, and the next set of clips I'm sure we'll be painting the valve cover. So got a lot of stuff to do, got a lot of stuff to organize, kind of just been in a spot of no progress. So let's hopefully get some progress done. Boom, baby.
Ha! Boom, baby!
And like that, we have ourselves some freshly painted intake manifold and valve cover. The wrinkles came out a lot better this time. There are a few spots that still look a little flat and not wrinkly, but overall, I'll give it about like an 80 out of 100 for sure. It's good enough. It will, like I said, be covered by the intercooler for the turbo, so you're not going to really see much of it, but it'll look good enough. It'll look good. It'll do its job. I said it looked good twice there. So honestly, I really just want to move all of this stuff, get it on the engine, and be done with it. I don't know if we're going to paint the turbo exhaust manifold piece here. I don't know if this can be painted. It looks like it probably can. I don't think there would be really a problem with painting it. I'm just like nervous about doing it. I think I should probably get the flame-proof primer and paint if we do it. This is up to 550. I don't know if that'll be enough. It might be enough. If that is, we'll probably just paint it black, get it nice and fresh. Only take like 45 minutes to an hour. We'll do that in a different video. I probably won't even record it. I'm just gonna do it and it'll be ready. And then we need to do the timing now, and we need to get some RTV. We need to get a rear main seal, and then we should we need the intake manifold gasket and the exhaust gasket, so we can put all of that stuff together, and obviously the turbo gaskets too. Once we have all of that, we can basically put the whole engine together, have it done. It's all here ready to go. Over here, this is all prepped and ready to go. All we need to do is paint this up right here so that we can do our work here, and then we need to probably tape this line as well. I don't really want to take these brake lines off, as I said in the other video, but we'll see what happens. I might get braided brake lines for the front too, just get braided ones, so we'll probably end up taking the caliper off if we do that, at which point we can just take the brake line off. But I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to take the whole brake line off as it comes down to here. I guess this one's not too bad, but this one, I don't know where it's like running up into and stuff. So I mean, maybe we will. I don't know, no guarantees, but I would like to get all of this engine bay work done. Once that's done, we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. There are some bushings that need to be addressed with this guy. That's all fucking torn up, that boot is. But I'm thinking if I can get one of the bushings out of that, or a new bushing for the one that I have in there, I can get the one that has a working boot pressed out and then put into here, and we'll be good to go. The thing is, with the suspension, all of it has to basically be done with the subframe drop. These lower control arms do. Like this one here, as you can see, it goes into here. So this one doesn't have to be dropped, but this rear lower control arm does. And I ripped one of the boots on that, so we have to get one of those as well. So I need to essentially get a bushing pushed out of this that's nice and pushed into the other one in the car that's shit. So lots of things that need to happen, but we should be able to accomplish it pretty simply. And then we need to figure out a red for the engine bay paint. But yeah, nothing too crazy, and we'll hopefully have a good video next week. I'm not sure how much progress we'll have. We'll likely be focusing more so on the engine part of things. I'll probably order some of the gaskets tonight, that way we have them next week, and then we'll go from there. So see you all in the next video. It's going to be a short and sweet one. Hope you all enjoyed. Peace.